In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get stock prices in Excel. If you've ever wanted live market data right inside a spreadsheet, this is a quick, reliable way to do it using Excel's built-in stocks data type. You'll just need an internet connection and a version of Excel that supports data types, such as Microsoft 365 or newer standalone versions. Start by opening your workbook and choosing the cell where you want to begin. Type the company's official name or, if you prefer, its stock ticker symbol. Using the correct ticker can speed things up, especially for companies with similar names across different regions or exchanges. Press Enter so the text is committed to the cell. Next, head to the ribbon at the top and click the Data tab. This is where Excel keeps all the tools that connect your sheet to external information and convert plain text into structured, linked data. With your company name or ticker cell selected, click Stocks in the Data Types group. Excel will try to recognize what you typed and convert it into a linked stocks data type. You'll know it worked when a small icon appears in the cell and the text may resolve to a standardized name. If Excel isn't sure which company you meant, it will show a selector so you can pick the correct match. Choose the entry that aligns with the right exchange or country for the most accurate pricing. Once the cell is recognized as a stock, look for the Insert Data button that appears next to it. Click Insert Data to open a list of fields that are available for that company. These fields come directly from the data source and include items like price, previous close, and more. From that list, click Price. Excel will place the current trading price into the cell to the right of your company name. Because the stock cell is linked, the price you just inserted is dynamic. It will refresh periodically while your workbook is open and connected. If you add more companies below, just repeat the same process for each one to build a quick watch list. A few quick tips to make this cleaner. Apply a currency format to the price column so values are easy to scan. Consider adding a header like price so your sheet remains readable. And remember that market data can be delayed depending on the exchange and data provider. That's it. You typed the company name, went to the Data tab, chose Stocks, used Insert Data, and selected Price. You now have live stock prices flowing into Excel, ready for analysis, charts, or dashboards. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.